Hello everyone, coming at you live from Washington Township High School. And today, two of our bright scientists have found two new objects. So first, I'm going to hand it over to Lauren to tell us what we have found. What object have you found today, Lauren?
I found this whole organism. It's a starfish. It's tan colored, rough textured, it has 5 arms, and it's bumpy. And on this side is this opening, and this is where it feeds and eats. And yes, that is what starfish looks like.
That's awesome. Where does this organism live?
This organism lives in all oceans, at the sea bottoms.
That's cool. What kind of habitat and what geographical location is it found in?
It lives in habitats that range from tropical to the cold seafloor.
And what niche does this occupy?
It occupies a variety of niches, and they play an important role in the food chain.
That's awesome. Now, what would happen if this new object that we have found goes extinct?
If the sea star were to go extinct, the populations of mussels would take over the community and crowd other species, which would reduce the community's diversity.
That's awesome. You really are a star, Lauren. And now to Melina, who has another object.
My whole organism is a sand dollar. It's smooth, white, fragile, light, and thin. It lives on the bottom of the ocean, and its scientific name is a Cleopastridopsis.
That's awesome. Now, what about where it lives and what kind of habitats and geographical locations it is found in?
It lives beyond the mean low water line on top of or just beneath the surface of sandy or muddy areas. They live in sandy seafloor habitat.
And what about the niche that it occupies?
Sand dollars partially bury themselves in the sand, but in rough waters they bury themselves under.
That's awesome. Now, what about the food chain that it is in? What happens if it goes extinct, basically?
If sand dollars went extinct, they'd be an increase in organic particles in the water. Sea stars, snails, and skates feed on sand dollars, so the populations of other organisms they eat would decrease faster.
That's awesome. Now to wrap it up, Lauren.
This starfish, actually known as an asteroidea, is a great find.
So is my Cleopastria.
All right, and we're out.